Ayan, mag-exercise muna tayo guys, no? Maybe 30 minutes lang, na 30 minutes pagpawisan lang tayo. Kasi kanina umulan, kaya medyo na ano ko ng tala ko. Ayan, tanggalin ko lang yung aking salamin. Medyo malabo yung paningin ko. Ayan, let's go! Ano muna tayo? Ayan. Sarap kasi ng feeling yung ano, yung pinagpawisan ka. Tapos mamaya. Time check is 7:15. 7:15 siya guys. So, kailangan nating mag-up muna tayo kahit konti lang. Ayan. Hindi ako sumali sa dun sa oval kasi ang daming mga tao. Dami, sobrang dami. Slight lang ako kasi hindi ako pwedeng mapwersa ng gusto. Next time maghahanap ako ng gym na pwedeng mag-exercisean. Yan, medyo napapagod ako ng konti. Kaya dahan-dahan lang. Ganyan lang muna tayo sa umpisa. It's Friday pala ngayon. Ayan. Grabe. Saglit lang pinagpawisan na ako. Wow. Pero meron akong isang yung medyo mahirap siya. Medyo mahirap siyang exercisein, pero dahan-dahanin ko lang siya. Pero kaya naman sa bahay. Kaya naman sa room ko mag-exercise gabi-gabi. Kaya. Yung lang siya, nakahiga lang siya. Bending, yung mga ganun pwedeng-pwede sa akin sa room ko. Ayan, hindi pwedeng mag-jogging na ganito. Siguro magagawa ko to pag Friday lang siya, mag-jogging. And Sunday, yun yung free time ko. Ayan. Saturday hindi pwede. Bukas hindi ako pwedeng mag-exercise bukas kasi may appointment ako sa doctor ko. So ayun. Parang kanila dito, pagpawisan ka lang, diba? Kasi siya hindi ka pwedeng mag-umpisa sa heavy agad. So ayun, pag napagod na, ganyan lang muna ako kasi madali akong mapagod. So kailangan ko ng paunti-unti. Ayan. Ang gusto ko lang is yung banda rito sa bat, no? Dito. Gagawin ko lang siya. Okay? Ganyan lang siyang gagawin ko. Para yung dito ko is tumiba yung balakang, no? So, I'll do it this one for, I don't know, let's see kung hanggang saan yung kaya ko, no? Basta magka-count lang ako ng 1 to 10 na naka-lay down siya with this one, no? Kailangan siya, pumantay ako. So, ayun, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. And then, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dahan-dahan lang ang pagtaas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, medyo nararamdaman ko na yung sakit ng tuhod, no? Again, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness. Ayan na, pahirap na ng pahirap yung tuhod ko, masakit. Okay, let's go once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I can feel the pain. Okay, one more. Last. Ayoko siyang mabigla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ito yung masakit. Kaya ito yung pinapatibay ko, yung hips. And then some more exercise na nakita ko sa YouTube, no? Lay down like that, and then they make like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Seem like that, but I hope I can do it, no? Slowly, because this is my first time again. Kasi nga dati nag-exercise ako, but then hindi na kaya ng sa work ko, and then sobrang pagod, so I'll try again my best, no? Let's see. Okay, one more time like that. Go down because I want to eto lang naman yung pinapatibay ko, tsaka yung back ko ito, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Just move like this para hindi masyadong mag-ano yung paa, no? Ganyan. And then just wait. So I will continue again. Masarap siya. Masarap sa hips, masarap sa knees, no? Ayun. Medyo nararamdaman ko yung knees ko talaga na nag-ano siya, sumasakit siya ng paunti-unti. So I need to maybe tomorrow again, but in my room, no? Kasi pagkatas ng appointment ko, wala na akong halos time. I don't know, maybe I can do that one in the morning, siguro mga ganon. Okay, game. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Refrain. Ayan, medyo nakukuha ko na siya ng konti, no? But at the same time, guys, no, aanin ko pa siya. Let's see if if I lose my weight. Okay, because just now I make my weight 51.7 kilos. Yes. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can feel it. I can feel my knees. You know, I can feel my knees. Really. So next time I will buy the band. I don't know what you call that one. So soon, maybe on Sunday, no, I can buy that one. To maintain my hip, to maintain my legs, no, just like that, no. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes. I think I can do this. I can do this one repeatedly. Ayun. Napakasarap guys, napakasarap. So, I'll continue this exercise, no? Even Monday to Friday, I can do this one. Maybe around maybe 2:30. I will start 2:30 until 3:15 like that. So ayun, isasabay ko na sa pagsundo. So I have a lot of time Monday to Friday. So ayun, okay. One more time, I will repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, refrain again. Just like a song, have refrain. Ayan. I got this one. I know already. Okay. Another one. I can do it. I can do it. At my age, you know, it's hard like this to exercise the difficult movements. So I used to easy to move. Maybe I don't know when I move faster, no? So I will try my best. Kasi may gusto kong maintain na, kasi at my age guys, no, mahirap siyang ano. The doctor say I want they want me to do more exercise, no? Exercise, healthy diet. So ayun, I used to drink apple juice with lemon. Yun ang ginagawa ko for today's video guys. So yun. Ayun. One more time. I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Sweating, but good this one. Okay. Alam niyo guys, malayo pa yung lalakarin ko, no? Mula rito hanggang sa bahay, malayo-layo pa. Siguro around 15 minutes lalakarin ko siya. Maybe siguro takbo-lakad. So I will not make a video already when I run because it's hard to take a video, no? Diba? Ayun. That's it. That is for today's video guys. No, I want to see how many minutes I consume. Okay. Okay. 13 minutes. Better luck next time again. Bye bye. See you next vlog.